So I wanted to give a little file structure breakdown because you can't really upload a Roblox project to GitHub easily. I will have these files up there so you can pick them apart, but I want to kind of show what they're responsible for at least. So the fire module and the bullet module here, we have a local script and a server script. The fire module, the local script, is responsible for drawing things on the player screen, so like the gunshot visuals. It's like a long part that's made. And also it controls like the actual control of the gun. So if you're clicking, it's going to fire that bullet. If you release, it's going to stop firing bullets. Bullet module is going to be the server side stuff. So stuff that is like actually in the game environment. So it's going to deal the damage to the bots. And that's really the main thing for like the gun system, but it's also going to send these events to update the accuracy on the user screen, and just like the accuracy that is constantly tracked throughout the uh, throughout the running of the program, I guess. Then if you look at bot script, this has all the kind of behavior for the bots built in. The dodge pattern is going to be on here as well. This is the dodge pattern stuff. Um, and there's some spawning behavior to make sure that they're spawned inside of the walls, based on what they're currently set to. So that's the gun stuff and the bots. And then from there, this is really the heart of the command terminal based changes. So this is the local side of the command terminal. Any command that's going to change something locally is going to be here. So like these ones are messing with the actual graphical user interface that is the terminal. So like this is like a help command. It's going to update and show the user what all the commands are. There's some other ones too, but the most important one here is probably send command, and this is if we actually can't, if it's not a local thing that we're trying to accomplish, we're going to send the command over to the message receiver, which is that server script, and that's what's actually going to change things. So like if we change the wall distance or we change the wall color, that's all going to be done in the server script here. And then aside from that, there's a few smaller files for stuff like updating your cursor. But they are all of these things. I forget exactly what they're called. I think they might be called like an event or something. But all of these events are actually triggered from this enter message handler. So like if a user puts in a command to update their cursor, it's going to be passed in from enter message handler. So yeah, that's kind of like the most important scripts working here. Feel free to poke around on GitHub if you're curious about anything else.